All right, quantitative students, we're working on the last portfolio. Portfolio A is going to be lesson 4.7 technology. You're going to click on here, pull that up, and then you're going to create an Excel spreadsheet to explore whether or not your answer for question number 8C is, below is correct. Make sure to input a wide variety of X values, positive, negative, fractions, decimals, even irrational numbers if you want to be, or impress me, but you're not. Just being honest. I mean, I'm looking for consistency. You create a couple things and it's going to be good, especially after I'm doing it with you. Now, can you be sure that the two expressions are equivalent by inputting a variety of values? Explain. Bonus points for doing some online research about when two polynomials are equivalent. There's a template to help you get started. However, we will not be using it. All right, so there are questions here. It says the goal is to multiply this times this because that's what we're dealing with here. Okay, so the way to do that is by first multiplying x, this, times all terms here. And then you get an answer. So x times x squared is x to the third. X times 3x is 3x squared. And then x times 4 is 4x. That is what you get there. For B, all right, it says now multiply -5 by each term. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and build this through a one that I've already created. So I'm going to go ahead and explain this one. So the last couple portfolios, I'm explaining how I built it. All right, so here, this answers question 8A, is multiplying this times this gives you this. And then right here, we're going to go ahead and multiply -5 times that. And you can't physically do it with this Excel spreadsheet. It won't work like that. So you have to kind of basically, do it on your, by yourself. So that way you have it, okay? So this times this is going to result this because it's -5 times x squared is -5x squared. -5 times +3x is -15x. And then -5 times 4 is -20. So now the last one, C, says add A and B together. So adding A to B, you get this x raised to the third power, so x to the third power, minus 2x squared, because it's going to be the value of 3x squared minus 5x squared. And then that gives you -2x squared. And then it's positive 4x minus 15x equals -11x. And then you have a -20. And that'll give you the term that we have to put here. These are going to match. Okay. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and duplicate this inside of here by taking wherever you see an X value and making it become this cell block. So watch how this is constructed. A2, which is this cell block, is going to go ahead and minus -5 from it. And you're going to multiply that against this cell block A2 squared plus 3 times A2 plus 4, and that is this guy. So the rest of it, we go ahead and the rest of this, we copy it just by dragging it down, okay? And likewise, we do the same thing for this, all right? And we go ahead and put in this value system and drag it down with different values, and you're done. And that is this portfolio, okay? So that's that. Now you just have to go ahead and post it, and you're done. And that is all the portfolios that you have. All right, good luck with it, and I'll see you on the other side.